Bienvenida a mi canal. El día de hoy te voy a estar enseñando cómo hacer unas adorables uñas artísticas de popositas de los emojis. No te lo puedes perder. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make poop emoji nail art. And just to remember, even though you are using the same color for a while in your art, do not forget to clean your brush. Otherwise, the nail polish could get very dry in the brush and then it can't actually paint nicely. Y cuando estés haciendo cualquier diseño en tus uñas, tienes que recordar que tienes que limpiar el brochecito de manera constante para que no te haga un desastre en tus uñas. Además, cada vez que cambies de color, has de cambiarlo por ley. I highly recommend to get the top coat because as the name says, is the coat that will be right on top when you finish your art. So now this is very important to use it because when we are doing the art, we are using the brush and we pretty much brushing, so the nail polish is not very smooth because we are putting layers on top of layers and we just brushing. So the top coat helps to actually smooth all the painting that we have done, and so then it gives such a nice result because everything looks smooth and beautiful. Si decides hacer estas uñas, por favor, mándame fotos porque las quiero ver cómo te quedaron y qué tal se ven en tus uñas. Si te pusiste extensiones o las puedes hacer en tus uñas, manda fotos. If you have any doubt or question, leave it on the comment below and I will answer as soon as possible. Si hay algo de mi video que no le pudiste entender muy bien, déjame un comentario y te voy a contestar tu pregunta. If you like this video, do not forget to give me thumbs up, share it with your friends, and also leave a nice comment.